Hello Euanimous Friends! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I'm Euanne Hyuna. So another great recipe that your family will surely love, the pork and beans with egg and cheese. But Euanimous Friends, before we start, don't forget to like and share and click the big subscribe button down and notification bell to notify you for my latest video. Euanimous Friends, this is our ingredients: black ground pepper, salt, onion, tomato, garlic, egg, cheese Eden, and pork and beans. Euanimous Friends, let's start cooking. Heat the oil in a pan. Saute the onion, garlic, and tomato. Cover it. Cook the tomato until it's soft. Add the pork and beans. Season with salt and ground black pepper. Add the egg. Cover it 1 to 2 minutes. Add the cheese. Now our pork and beans with egg and cheese is ready to serve. Let's take a minute time. Euanimous Friends, if you find this video very interesting, don't forget to like and share and click the big subscribe button down and notification bell to notify you for my latest video. Let's be friends because you got me and I got you. Just leave the message in the comment box below and I'll be back to you, I promise. Until next video, bye! I love you!